Welcome to today's news. Assam Direct Recruitment Examination ADRE Grade 3 results 2024 published. The State Level Recruitment Commission SLRC Assam will be releasing the result of the Assam Direct Recruitment Examination ADRE for Grade 3 posts in the first week of December 2024. The candidates who appeared in the examination will be able to check their results on the official website at https://slrcg3.sebaonline.org. The result also will be available on assam.gov.in. To download the results, visit the official website https://slrcg3.sebaonline.org and then click on the ADRE Grade 3 result link. Enter your login details and click on Submit. Your result will be displayed on the screen. You can download or print your result for future reference. Get more details from official website https://slrcg3.sebaonline.org. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com. Thank you.